Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So this is week 10 assignment of the course cloud computing. So we want to thank you for everyone who kept supporting us. So keep supporting us like this, guys. So please watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video. You may miss some content if I make any changes. So these are completely our probable solutions. If there are any changes, we will mention that in the comment section if we notice that, or you can suggest your solutions as well. So before final submission, once again check the comment section. So first one, VM migration is the process of moving running applications or VMs from one physical host to another host. Is that true or false? So it is absolutely true, guys. So mark option A as the probable solution for first question. Guys, definitely subscribe our channel and definitely like the video. If you like the video, our videos will reach more number of students so that they will also get benefited like you, right? So definitely subscribe our channel and definitely like the video, and please share this with your friends and classmates as well in your WhatsApp college unofficial groups. Second one, so VM memory size is 1024 GB and transmission rate is 16 MB per second. What are the total migration time and downtime for non-live VM migration? So for second question, option B, both the times are correct. Mean the same migration time and same downtime. So both are 18 hours. Next, with Docker, the resource management effort is separated from the configuration effort. So in the lectures they have mentioned configuration effort is separated from resource management. So separation is anyway the same thing, right? So with that perspective, we are going with option A, true. But in material they have given, the lecture materials they have given resource management effort, they swapped this, right? But separation is anyway, if B is separated from A or A is separated from B, both are same, right? So with that context, we are going with option A, true, right? Next, fourth question. Fourth one. In Docker utility, what is a collection of file system layers and some metadata which if taken together can be spun up as Docker containers? So for fourth question, option D, image is the probable solution. So mark option D as the probable solution, guys. Next, fifth one. So before getting into the fifth question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs for the course cloud computing. With 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected this. You are going to get a huge number of 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So the validity will be till the exam results day, guys. Such option is also provided. So huge number of 300 MCQs. For one person it is 300 rupees only. For 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees. So please share this news with your friends and classmates and form a group and mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. So this is the mail ID. So mail me to this email ID, guys, bk179417@gmail.com. So for one person it is 300, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly for 500. So huge number of 300 MCQs. Each one will get 300 MCQs. You can get for combined price of 500 for combined group. If you are one person, you can get it for 300 rupees only. So this is the mail ID bk179417@gmail.com. So these are the combination of past NPTEL MCQs as well as our own handmade MCQs, right? Already many students, hundreds of students and professors have also taken our package. So take it now itself so that you can get more time to prepare at the end. Now, and there is YouTube membership. So here you will get 100 plus MCQs for 89 rupees in video format for one person and for 1 month. If you want this YouTube membership, no need to mail us. You can directly go to our channel page, YouTube channel page. So S Kumar Edu is our YouTube channel page. So beside the subscribe button there is a join button, right? So click on this join button. Then a small window will open like this. Select the second one, videos only for members pack. that is 89 per month pack. And again click on this blue color join button and make payment directly to YouTube, not to us. After that payment, you will become member of our channel and you can get access to all of our members only videos. Here you can see cloud computing exam preparation part 2 video, 1 hour video available, and part 1 hour video also is made, guys. You can, after joining the channel, you can get all the list of videos and you can get all the other subject videos as well for the same 89. So you can get access to all the videos for 89. But if you are preparing in for one exam and if you want to score good and if you want to prepare well, if you want a chance to get good marks, then you can better go for 300 MCQs PDF pack because it covers many topics in the syllabus, unlike the YouTube sample membership. If you want huge number of 300 MCQs, then mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. So already many hundreds of students and so professors have also taken our pack, guys. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. Fifth one, what are the reasons to opt for VM migration in the cloud computing paradigm? So for fifth question, there are two probable solutions. The first one is option B, to remove a physical machine from service, and option C, to save power consumption. So mark. So guys, just I want to clarify. So remove option C, actually it is option D. So to relieve the load on the congested hosts. So what is the final solution, guys? The final solutions, option B and option D. So please make this change. So this is the probable solutions. These are the probable solutions. So mark option B and option D as the probable solutions, guys. So please remove option C. So please watch the video till the end, guys, because if we make any in between changes, you can be able to note that, right? So do watch full video. Next, sixth one. So what are the key advantages of Docker? So for sixth question, there are three probable solutions. The first one is option A. It facilitates microservice architecture. And next, option B, it can be used to package software. And the other one is option C. It can be used to model networks. So all these three are the probable solutions. So mark option A, option B, and option C. Next, seventh question. Post-copy and pre-copy migration approaches are followed in what type of processes? So for seventh question, it is option A, live migration process. Live migration process. Next, eighth one. Which of the following is or are true in the case of Docker architecture? So both the statements are correct only, guys. So mark option C, both statement 1 and 2 are true. Option C. Next, ninth one. Ninth question. So which of the statements is or are true for containers? So for ninth question, only statement 2 is true, guys. This is the one. Option B. So guys, once again, I want to make you remember that we are providing you a huge number of 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. 300 MCQs. For one person, it is 300. If you take it with your friends or classmates, in a 2 to 5 persons access, it is combinedly 500 rupees. Each one will get 300 MCQs, but combined price is 500 rupees for all the members, guys. So mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. The same mail ID will be given in the description box as well. If you want YouTube membership of sample 100 plus MCQs, you can join for 89 rupees, guys. But my suggestion is 300 MCQs pack if you are preparing for a single exam and if you want to be prepared better. Already hundreds of students and professors have also taken our pack. Now let's see the last solution. So for 10th and final question, the question is Kubernetes operates at the hardware level. So for 10th and final question, option B, false. It operates at container level, not hardware level. So mark option B, guys, false as the probable solution for 10th and final question. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 10 assignment. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely keep subscribing our channel forever. Definitely like the video and please share this news with your friends and classmates, and don't forget to purchase this huge number of 300 MCQs pack. This is the mail ID. So that's it, guys. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.